When it comes to cooking, there are a lot of different methods that you can use to create a delicious meal. One of the most popular methods is stir-fry. This cooking method is perfect for those who want to create a quick and easy meal that is packed with flavor. If you are new to stir-fry, or if you are looking for a new way to cook your favorite dishes, then you should consider using a pan. In today's video, I'll talk about the 5 best pan for stir-fry on the market available right now. I have added all the links in the description box below. Check them out and please consider to subscribe our channel. So without further ado, let's get started. The TeChef frying pan cooks all of your food using only a small amount of oil. This has been our top option thus far due to the fact that it actually produces a low-fat stir-frying. The indestructibility of this frying pan is ensured by its manufacture out of forged thick metal. This material also assists in conducting heat well, which speeds up the process of heating the pan. It has distinctive decorations, including 2 circles in the center of the pan that indicate how much 1 tablespoon and 2 tablespoons of oil measure so that you will know how much you have added. In addition to this, the pan has a non-stick coating that has been evaluated and found to pose no threat to the user's health. This frying pan can withstand temperatures in the oven up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and can also be cleaned in the dishwasher. A cushioned grip makes the handle more comfortable to hold. In addition to having a lovely appearance, this pan goes wonderfully with any kitchen arrangement. Because of the orange color, the copper orange stir-fry pan already has a really beautiful appearance, and the orange color also allows you to make elegant images of your cooking creations that are ideal for Instagram. Because it provides such good heat isolation, you can reduce the amount of time you spend cooking as a result. In addition, the pan has a long handle made of stainless steel that is not only pleasant to the touch but also helps keep your hand away from the pan's surface while it is hot. You might be aware of the ways in which cookware made of copper is distinct from that made of stainless steel, with both positive and negative aspects. However, in this product, the mix of these 2 materials is so well thought out that it sets it apart from other products in its category. Because it can withstand temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, this pan can also be used in the oven when baking. The orange skillet, which is 11 inches in diameter, allows food to cook quickly and uniformly across the surface. The YOSUKATA wok has a more rounded bottom than the other woks that we examined. Nonetheless, this did not hinder the performance of the wok in any way. On the grated gas stovetop, everything came out successfully when our tester moved the wok slightly toward her. On the other hand, this wok might not be the best choice for a stove that uses electricity or induction. This carbon steel wok, which has already been seasoned, heats up very rapidly and is rather simple to re-season and maintain. This wok will not let you down if you're hoping to do stir-fry on the same level as a restaurant. On the other hand, the wooden handle wasn't exactly the most comfortable thing to grasp, and the pan itself was somewhat cumbersome to transport from place to place. During the testing, we also discovered that the middle had some hot spots, which hindered the food from being cooked uniformly. The Joyce Chen wok has always been a good choice, but it has been improved with a complete package that goes above and beyond the fundamentals. A tempura rack, bamboo utensils, chopsticks, a steaming rack, bamboo tongs, a rice paddle, and a heat-retaining solid metal top are all included in this set, which practically includes everything you need to start stir-frying, steaming, or deep-frying right away. The wok is constructed of carbon steel, which is preferred by many chefs that specialize in wok cuisine. According to George Chen, the executive chef and founder of China Live San Francisco, is resilient and swiftly and evenly distributes heat. It is substantial, heavy, and has a flat bottom, but it also has some sensitive parts. Although it needs to be washed by hand, the nonstick coating can withstand the usage of metal utensils. The brand's 25-year nonstick surface warranty is not required, thus using the bamboo tools that come with the set is advised. This T-fal nonstick wok is a true workhorse in the kitchen. This wok is extremely durable because it is constructed of aluminum that has been hard anodized. The wok's exterior is made of aluminum, which holds heat well and serves as a solid barrier of defense. The interior is comprised of strong reinforced titanium, which keeps it corrosive, toxin-free, and scratch-resistant and prevents it from reacting with any acidic meals. A beautiful stir-fry may be made without any sticking because of the non-stick coating's durability. In order to increase grip and comfort when holding the pan, the handle is composed of silicone. This wok is completely safe for use and free of potentially dangerous substances like lead and cadmium. Additionally, a dishwasher and an oven with a temperature of up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit are both safe places to use it. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.